Hi, my name is Chris Guinera, a drone instructor at Francis Tuttle Institute of Technology in Oklahoma City. With years of experience in 3D modeling and conducting high-resolution inspections for the telecom industry, I bring a wealth of knowledge to the table. Through my company, Blue Falcon Aerial, I've specialized in integrating drone technology with roofing operations, enhancing capabilities across the board. Today, I'm going to help you understand which drone is the best fit for your roofing business, focusing on how these tools can reduce risk, boost efficiency, and enhance your roofing capabilities. We'll break down the different types of drones available, discuss their features, and consider what to look for based on your specific business needs. I'll guide you through choosing the right drone to maximize your investment and operational success. So whether you're just starting to consider drones or looking to upgrade your current equipment, understanding the basics and different types available is crucial. Let's break it down so you can make an informed decision about which drone best fits your needs. So the first thing we need to talk about are the basics of drone operations. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, also called UAVs, are aircrafts without a human pilot on board. They are typically controlled by a remote pilot from the ground or autonomously via pre-programmed flights. For roofing, drones are invaluable for conducting inspections and surveys from above, allowing you to gather detailed visual data without the need for risky manual ladder work. There are mainly two types of drones used in the roofing industry: multirotor and fixed wing. Multi-rotor drones, such as a quadcopter, are perfect for high-precision tasks like detailed inspections. They can hover and maneuver above a roof easily, making them ideal for capturing high-resolution images and videos of specific areas. On the other hand, fixed-wing drones are designed for longer flights and can cover larger areas more quickly. While they can't hover, their efficiency in flight makes them suitable for scanning multiple properties in a neighborhood, especially after events like storms. Each type of drone comes with its own set of features, but here are a few key things to consider when choosing a drone for roofing. The first thing is camera quality. Look for drones with high-resolution cameras that can capture at least 4K video. The clarity of these images is crucial for identifying wear and tear on roofs. Having a mechanical shutter is also important because it ensures you have crisp data without any sort of motion blur. The third thing to consider is incorporating thermal or a high zoom capability. Thermal cameras can detect moisture issues while also helping understand what areas may be lacking in insulation or having excessive heat loss. And having a great zoom feature on these drones allows you to zoom in and inspect and verify that there actually is damage without having to get on the roof. So understanding these basics and the type of drones available will help you select the right drone that aligns you with your business needs. Whether it's a multi-rotor for detailed inspections or a fixed wing for quick surveys, choosing the right drone is about matching the technology to your specific operational requirements. So now let's dive into some key features you should look for in a drone and the specific benefits that they bring to your roofing business. These features are what set apart a standard drone from one that is truly tailored for roofing inspections. First and foremost is the camera quality. For roofing inspections, the camera on your drone isn't just about taking pretty pictures. It's about capturing detailed images that can help you assess the condition of a roof accurately. High-resolution cameras that can shoot in 4K or higher are crucial. They allow you to see fine details like small cracks, worn shingles, or other signs of damage that might be missed by lower quality cameras. The next thing to consider is the stability and weather resistance. Roofing inspections often take place in less than ideal weather conditions. A drone with good stability technology will be able to hover precisely and maintain control even in windy condition. Having a proper weather-resistant drone is also important, but those drones can get really pricey very quickly. So you got to consider, is it really worth it? Another critical feature is battery life and operational range. Longer battery life means your drones can stay in the air longer and completing more comprehensive inspections without needing a recharge. This is particularly important for large commercial properties or when you need to inspect multiple homes in a neighborhood. The operational range refers to how far the drone can travel from the controller while maintaining a stable connection. A greater range provides flexibility, especially in areas where you might need to launch the drone from a distance. Now, once you do have a drone that meets your needs, what you can do is start to incorporate automated damage detection softwares. Through advanced image processing algorithms, artificial intelligence can analyze the images captured by your drone very quickly. It can detect anomalies such as missing shingles, cracks, and other signs of wear that might not be easily visible to the human eye. This technology ensures that no potential damage goes unnoticed, increasing the accuracy of your inspections. Artificial intelligence also enhances the efficiency of your operations through automated flight paths. Instead of manually controlling your drone for every single flight, artificial intelligence can plot optimal routes over a property, ensuring complete coverage. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in the data collected, which is crucial for quality inspections and client reports. Moreover, artificial intelligence integration allows for neighborhood canvassing. This feature is particularly useful following significant weather events. Your drone can fly autonomously over an entire neighborhood, quickly identifying roofs that have sustained damage, thus you target potential clients who are in immediate need of repair services. The automation doesn't even just stop at inspections. Artificial intelligence can generate preliminary costs for repairs. This rapid estimation process helps in quickly providing clients with actionable information, speeding up decision making, and potentially increasing your conversion rates. So, as you can see, artificial intelligence integration transforms drone technology from just mere data collection tool into a comprehensive solution that enhances your decision-making, efficiency, and accuracy in roofing inspections. By adopting drones, your roofing business can not only save time and resources, but also provide exceptional service that stands out in a highly competitive market. Investing in drone technology involves considering both the cost and the potential value it brings to your business. Let's break down this aspect of it to help you understand why drones are not just an expense, but an investment that pays off. Purchasing a drone can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on the sophistication and capabilities of the technology. High-end drones with superior camera resolution and additional auxiliary cameras to provide that high-resolution zoom feature and also thermal tend to be more expensive, but are often worth the investment for their long-term benefits. Now, beyond just the purchase price, there are ongoing costs to consider. These include maintenance, insurance, and possible software subscriptions for advanced data analysis and storage. While these costs can add up, they are typically small compared to the labor and time savings that drones can provide. So let's talk about the value provided by drones. The efficiency gains alone are substantial. Drones can complete roof inspections in a fraction of the time it takes to do them manually, allowing you to conduct more inspections per day. This increased capacity can significantly boost your revenue. Moreover, the precision of drone inspections leads to more accurate assessments, which can enhance your credibility and trust with clients. This accuracy helps in closing deals faster and can reduce the frequency of costly callbacks and disputes over investigation findings. Another financial benefit comes from the reduction in workplace accidents. By using drones, you minimize the need for climbing and walking on roofs, which significantly reduces the risk of falls and related injuries. Fewer accidents not only mean lower insurance costs, but also better overall safety for your team. So while the upfront investment in drone technology may seem significant, the long-term value it adds to your roofing business is undeniable. By enhancing operational efficiency, improving safety, and increasing client trust, drones offer a compelling ROI that can help scale your business to new heights. As we consider integrating drones into your roofing business, it's crucial to address two fundamental aspects: compliance with regulations and proper training for your team. Understanding these elements ensures that your drone operations are not only effective, but also legal and safe. Let's start with compliance. Drones are regulated by the Federal Aviation Administration, or the FAA, and there are specific rules you must follow to operate them commercially. These include registering your drone, obtaining a Part 107 drone license, and adhering to airspace restrictions. Compliancy is not just about following the law, it's about ensuring the safety of your operations and the public. Registration is straightforward and can be done online through the FAA's website. The Part 107 license, however, requires passing an aeronautical knowledge test at an FAA-approved testing center. This certification is essential as it covers everything from airspace classifications to weather effects on drone flight, which are critical for safe and effective operations. Next, let's talk about training. Proper training goes beyond just knowing how to fly a drone. Your team needs to understand how to conduct thorough inspections, manage data collection, and interpret the results effectively. This involves practical hands-on training with the drones and software they'll be using in the field. At Blue Falcon Aerial, we offer specialized training programs that cover not only the basics of drone operations, but also advanced techniques in roof inspection and data analysis. This training ensures that your team is not only compliant with the regulations, but also skilled in utilizing drones to their full potential. Ongoing education is key. Drone technology and regulations are consistently evolving, so continuing education courses are essential to keep your team up to date. This can include new software updates, advances in drone technology, or changes in FAA regulations. To wrap up, ensuring compliance with FAA regulations and providing comprehensive training are critical to the successful integration of drones into your roofing business. These steps not only protect your business legally, but also empower your team to conduct safer, more efficient, and more effective roof inspections. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into how drones can transform your business from operational efficiencies to compliance and training. Remember, investing in the right technology and training is investing in the future of your business. Choosing the right drone for your roofing business is a pivotal decision that can dramatically improve your overall operational success. By evaluating the specific needs of your operation, like size of properties you inspect and the precision required, you can select a drone that fits your budget and elevates your efficiency and effectiveness. Remember, investing in the right drone transcends merely acquiring new equipment. It's about enhancing your business capabilities and maintaining a competitive edge. To dive deeper into integrating drones and advanced software into your roofing operation, I invite you to join our free school page. There, we offer comprehensive training and resources to help you master this technology. You can find the link in the description below. If you want to see a live demonstration of my favorite drone that has 4K resolution, a 56 times telescopic zoom, and thermal capabilities, you really need to watch the video right next to my head.